If you want your fair skin to be popping, try this body lotion and soap combo. When you combine the soap and lotion together, your fair skin is gonna look all clear, look even, glowy, and radiant. Come to the space. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best soap and lotion combo for fair skin. If you want to really brighten, maintain, and glow your fair skin tone, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because all the combo I'll be showing you will have your fair skin popping in no time. Now, the first combo I have for you is this Olay Vitamin C Brightening Body Wash with the Olay Vitamin C Brightening Body Lotion. If you really want to maintain and glow your fair skin tone, you need a body lotion and soap that will be able to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and brighten up your skin's radiance. You don't need something that will darken you or bleach your skin and damage your skin. And that is exactly why I chose this Olay Vitamin C body lotion with the Olay Vitamin C body wash. Now, these two products were formulated to complement one another. In other words, the manufacturers already know what is in their body lotion and what ingredients to add in the body wash to make them complement each other and give a faster result. So pairing or combining the Olay body wash together with the Olay Vitamin C Brightening Body Lotion is going to give you a full dose of vitamin C radiance. So in other words, your skin is going to look so much brighter, radiant, beautiful, and glowing. This is a combo that is going to maintain your skin. It's not going to lighten up your skin. No, it's a body lotion and soap that when you combine them together is going to gradually tone up your skin, brighten up your complexion, and give it a healthy, radiant glow. Using the Olay body lotion alone is going to gradually brighten up your skin. But when you add the Olay Vitamin C body wash to it, it's going to make the Olay Vitamin C body lotion work more faster and give you effective results. So if you want that brighter, beautiful fair skin tone, this is exactly what you need. Like, pair these two together and you're definitely going to love the effect on your skin. Now, the next combo I have for you guys is combining this Advanced Korean Skin Bright Body Lotion with the Advanced Korean Skin Brightening Body Wash. This is another beautiful combo for a fair skin that really wants to brighten up their skin and have a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. Like, if you want your fair skin glowing all day, this is one of the best body lotion and soap combo to pair together. I got to know about this particular combo through one of my friends. And guys, if you see her skin currently, it's just popping. This is one combo that is going to give you a blinding glow. If you want to even out your complexion, tone your skin, and have that beautiful smooth skin, then this particular body lotion is what you need. On its own, is going to equally brighten up your skin, moisturize, and nourish your skin. But when you combine it to the body wash, guys, you're going to be blinding your haters. A lot of people are going to be complimenting your skin and asking you what exactly it is you're using on your skin. This right here is going to change your skin. If you're someone struggling with uneven skin tone, pigmentation, or patchy skin, go and get this particular combo. You're going to love the effect on your skin. Your fair skin is going to look even, smooth, soft, beautiful, and attractive. This body lotion and soap combo is formulated to work hand in hand. So if you're getting the body lotion, do well to get the shower gel, and you're definitely going to see the results on your skin. Like, go try it out and come and thank me later. The shower gel contains alpha-arbutin and other amazing ingredients that will help to brighten up your skin, tone up your skin, and give you a clear, beautiful, fair, glowing skin. So if your goal is to have a lighter, beautiful, glowing fair skin, just get this. You're gonna grab attention. Next combo I have for you guys is combining this Topicrem Mela Unifying Ultra Moisturizing Milk with this SK Duchess L Glutathione Shower Gel. See, when it comes to keeping your fair skin glowing and well moisturized, this is one combo I highly recommend. The Topicrem Unifying Milk Lotion is one body lotion that contains both moisturizing and brightening ingredients that is going to give you a uniformly toned fair skin. Like, if you really want to even out your complexion, smoothen out your skin, clear your dark spots, try using the Topicrem Mela body lotion. It's a body lotion that is going to gradually even out your complexion and give you a uniformly toned skin. This particular body lotion does not in any way feel greasy on the skin. It's a body lotion that is not going to make you sweat or feel uncomfortable in any way. It's going to hydrate, nourish, moisturize, and uniformly brighten up your complexion. Now, imagine when you now add this SK Duchess shower gel to it. That is a powerhouse of glutathione. Be ready to blind your haters. Your glow is gonna be on another level. The amount of radiance that you're gonna achieve using this particular combo together. This is a duo that will get you lots of compliments. A whole lot of people are gonna follow you to know what body lotion and soap you have been using in your skincare routine. So get ready to get compliments while pairing these two together. You're going to love the effect on your skin, guys. This is one combo I recently plugged a friend of mine to, and guys, his skin have been popping. Like, if you really want that effortlessly glowing fair skin tone, just add this in your skincare routine and watch how your skin is gonna look. Moving on, the next combo on my list is pairing the fair and white body lotion with the fair and white bar soap, or you can use it together with the fair and white brightening shower gel. Guys, any of this combo is going to give you that radiant, smooth, flawless, beautiful, spotless, glowing fair skin tone. Yeah, I did that. If you know, you know. If you want your fair skin to not just glow, but look attractive and very, very magnetic, this is one combo I would advise you use together. In fact, this is one combo that I personally have used, and the effect is always mind blowing. It's not a bleaching cream. Like, I've been hearing so many people saying that Fair and White contains hydroquinone. No, Fair and White actually have like two different variants. Each of their body lotion has like two different variants. So there might be one with 2% hydroquinone for those battling with pigmentation. But I'm not talking about the one with hydroquinone. The one I'm talking about is the safe brightening one. Like, if you should get this and pair it to the shower gel, that's the exact combo that I used. Your skin is definitely going to be popping. You're going to notice that healthy glow on your skin. In fact, you're going to fall in love with your skin all over again, pairing these two together. This is a combo that will unify your complexion from your head down to your toe. Is going to have the same color. So if you really want an attractive fair skin tone, just pair these two together. The body lotion alone is going to work magic on your skin, and so is using the shower gel alone. But when you combine them together, you're gonna be shocked. You're going to have that electrifying glow, and the fragrance is amazing. Like, it will have you smelling good as well. Believe me when I say this combo is good, because when something is good, I'm gonna say it's good. If you can afford to get this combo, get it, and you're definitely going to understand what I'm talking about. The last but not the least combo on my list is combining the Skin by Zaron body lotion with the Skin by Zaron brightening shower gel. This is a combo that is going to give you that effortlessly glowing fair skin tone without any form of drama. See, if you're someone that don't like to stress yourself, like you don't want to be packing the whole 10-step skincare routine, just pair these two products together and you're going to effortlessly glow your skin. The shower gel is very gentle on the skin, and it contains ingredients that is going to help even out your skin tone. And so is the body lotion. The body lotion contains different amazing ingredients like vitamin C, kojic acid, alpha arbutin that will target your dark spots, your discolorations, and give you a smooth, beautiful, soft, glowing skin. If you really want your fair skin to look all soft, all smooth, all supple, and glowy, then this is a combo you need to pair together. Within the first 2 weeks of adding this in your skincare routine, trust me, you're going to notice visible results on your skin. It's going to give you that even toned skin. Your skin is definitely going to be glowing and have a radiant look. So if you're someone that struggle or battle with discoloration, dull skin, uneven skin tone, this particular body combo is going to give you a uniformly toned skin. I've recommended this combo to countless clients and they all really love it. Like, I've never gotten a bad review regarding this particular combo, and that is because it's too good. It's going to work wonders on your skin and give you a uniformly toned fair skin. So if you're looking to apply minimal effort and get a bright, beautiful, glowing fair skin tone, then this will have to be it. This combo is what you need. So there you have it, the 5 best body lotion and soap combo that will leave your fair skin looking even toned, glowing, and radiant all day long. Like, you're going to achieve visible results using this in your routine. All you have to do is to use your body wash or your soap to shower both morning and night and apply those body lotions on your skin. And that is simply it. Your skin is definitely going to be popping. Let me know if you would like to see a video on oils to use as well, and I'll be glad to make that particular video for you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment on which one is your favorite or which one you'll be trying out. And I hope to see you in my next video. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.